Miss Walker, you're a mom, so you're gonna experience a lot of what your mama has experienced. And listen to me. If you allow your child to treat you,
It's not. That's not even.
ma'am.
The stuff happened with parents.
20
Oh my
days
God.
for what? Charmaine, just be quiet. This is what everybody be talking to you about. Just be quiet. Just listen to her and be quiet.
But I will tell you that
Shut your ass up. You about to get 40 days. Shut the up.
Sheldon, little bootleg ass studio.
I was down on my looking to hit me a lick, ready to get into some. Since I was a jit, I had big dreams of getting rich. Now we leveling up in this. Take a look at my kicks. You know we stepping on toughest nigga. First one to get hit, don't make me send a blitz. My head is itching for it. Hollow to split like a list, but wait.
Whoa, now what's the motherfucking deal? Welcome back to Sheldon's bootleg ass studio where you come to kick it, vibe out, and shoot the shit with Sheldon, man. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all for pulling up. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get up into this video of today. Yeah, alright, so video today reads, 21-year-old single mother disrespects judge during Zoom court hearing. So, I'm guessing that's why she single, for all this disrespect that she got. She can't even respect the judge. Damn. Imagine how she act in a relationship. She dictate every goddamn thing. Anyway, without further ado, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're a newcomer around here. You know what I'm talking about? Let's go ahead and jump up into this video right now.
If you ain't fucking with my nigga Sheldon, nigga, fuck you. Yeah.
No, when she was in school, when she was placed on IEP in school, they had her.
Hold on, look at the judge. This the judge up here in the top right corner. Look at her. She ready to get off. Hold on, the judge coming off disrespectful first. You can't be like that, judge. You can't just be leaned over like you just bothered and tired and ready for this shit to be over with. Damn. I would feel like you ain't taking my case serious. I need another judge on my case because you ain't getting it. But anyway, let's see what's going down.
No, when she was in school, when she was placed on IEP in school, they had her on a behavior.
Damn, Justin White doing the same thing down here. I guess, you know what I'm saying? Follow the leader. Check him out right here in the middle.
They had her.
Check him out. He ready to go. I guess when you be on them Zoom meetings all day long, you know what I'm saying? You get a little too comfortable in that chair. You be about to slouch and fall asleep.
I'm gonna
let the video play, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm looking at these body languages, man, and it's just killing me, man. But let's go.
No, when she was in school, when she was placed on IEP in school, they had her on a behavioral plan as well. But outside of that, no.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Go ahead, Ms. John VA. Recommendation.
Yes, Your Honor, the state was recommending 12 months to serve 2 days. Credit for the time that she's already served. The balance to be probated with a fine of $300. Family violence intervention program, 40 hours of community service, and no contact with the victim, Ms. Trimble. Counts 2, 3, and 4 would merge. Count 5 would be 12 months probation to run concurrent with count 1, plus any restitution that the victim was requesting. But I believe I understand that she's not requesting any restitution.
Okay. How old is Ms. Walker? How old are you?
21.
All right, Ms. Trimble, where's Ms. Walker living now?
She lives 3 hours away from me.
Okay, good.
Atlanta. I live in Pooler.
Okay, good.
However, yesterday when I had spoke with the victim advocate, because she had asked me if I had wanted no contact, and I told her that's not what I wanted. I wanted to have contact because she has a son that I do have a relationship with that I would like to remain in contact with. So the no contact part, if my opinion matters in that part, the no contact.
Okay, so she has in common a child. Whoever this child is to her, she has in common with whoever she is restricted from being around. And so before we get to it, I'm just making the guess The judge is about to deny her request, and that's where all shit hits the fan. Let's see if I'm right. Let's see if I'm right, man. Y'all hit that like button. Let go.
That part, I didn't want. I wanted to remain. I wanted to have contact because we haven't had an incident with each other since that day.
Okay.
All right, Miss Walker, I'm gonna hear from your attorney, and then we're gonna have a conversation. Mr. White.
Your Honor, I just ask you accept the plea, Your Honor.
Her attorney is like,
That's all the lawyer got to say? He doing all this slouching and shit? This who working on the case? And he just say, I just ask that you accept the request. That's it. You ain't got no kind of argument towards it. You ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying, butter it up, make this shit sound good. Hey, you know, Your Honor, my client has done X, Y, and Z. She's been doing, you know, she's been reporting on time, before time. She's been, active in the community, doing yada, yada, yada. I don't know. Butter that shit up like y'all lawyers know how to do. Damn, bro. This is why the judge didn't accept the request. Sound like she wasn't gonna accept it anyway. Because she said, we're going to have a conversation after I speak with your lawyer. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, I'm going to talk to you later, but let me hear from your attorney first. Is this all he going to say? Damn, let's see.
I have nothing to say. Please just accept this plea. And the judge was about to do it. The judge accepting the plea would mean no jail time for her. A couple of...
Okay, so we got commentary. That sounds like Pink Listens book. Shout out Pink Book Listens. So, shout out to Pink Book Listens. But I don't think the judge was about to accept the request, y'all. I don't think so. You feel me? But let's see.
Classes, no more than a year on probation, and no restitution because the victim, her mother, isn't requesting it. But just see where her nasty, defiant attitude took her.
Miss Walker, you're a mom, so you're going to experience a lot of what your mama has experienced. And if you're... listen to me. If you allow your child...
hold on, listen to me. Let me listen to you, Judge. Let me back you up just a tad.
Who took her?
Miss Walker, you're a mom, so you're going to experience a lot of what your mama has experienced. And if you're... listen to me. If you allow your child to treat you...
It's not... That's not even...
Ma'am.
The stuff happened with parents.
You're here for whatever I say you're here for.
I'm trying to hear...
All right, I'm not accepting the plea. I'm not accepting the plea. She's going to do jail time. If she takes a plea before me, she's gonna do jail time.
What do you mean? Because it's like you telling me I'm a mom and
you keep talking.
Miss
You're gonna do more jail.
Whoo! See, this is why you have to teach your kids early to understand. You have to learn how to take direction, instruction, correction. You understand me? Sometimes it's best to just zip your lip and hear what's being said instead of trying to rebuttal. You feel me? And contest what's being said. You need to fix your ways. So you need to hear what's being said. But you ain't trying to hear that. You don't want to hear the truth. And you disrespecting the judge. Yeah, send her ass to jail. Send her ass to jail so she can sit her ass down and think about her motherfucking actions. You got a whole child out here. And you want to sit here and go back and forth with the judge. The fuck? Shut your ass up. That's what's wrong with a whole lot of motherfuckers today. And women at that. Let's just go ahead and be frank. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't the one who be bashing women, but you got this nasty attitude right here. To where you cannot have any accountability. You have to understand that you have to reevaluate yourself sometime. Just because you are, you live in your world, you think everything revolves around you. You need to sometimes reevaluate yourself. If there's always some friction in your life, you may need to take a look in the mirror sometime and see what it is you are doing to cause all this friction, or see what it is that you can do to keep all this friction from happening. But some people love misery. You know what I'm saying? And people like her, she love that type of company. She love misery. You going back and forth with the judge. You should have just shut your ass up. Your life is in her hands, literally. She can throw the book at you and give you the max in the punishment of whatever case you got. Yeah, I remember being in court one day, man. Long time ago, I had got in trouble for weed. This was like 2011. This was back in the day. You know what I'm saying? But anyway. I'm in court for this shit. And the dude stood up, you know, that the court asked, when the judge call your name, you stand up and you gonna plead the 1, 2, or 3. I forget which order, but it's guilty, not guilty, and no contest. You know what I'm saying? And so judge called this one dude name. He stood up. He talking about some shit. Pull out the paper. He look at the paper, scratching his head. The judge didn't hear him the first time when he said shit, because he's kind of far back. So he said shit, I guess. And then he said the number he chose. I forget which number it was. I'm just going to say 2. Let's go with 2. He was like, shit, I guess 2. And she was like, sorry, I'm going to need you to speak up. I can't hear you. Shit, I guess 2. Then, you know what I'm saying? She told him, hey, you're going to have to watch your mouth in court. I hold you in contempt if you curse again. That man proceeds to cuss again and said, I don't give a fuck. Bitch, yada yada yada. In court, oh God, indubitably, I ain't lying, man. The police, she told the police to come get him, so you know what I'm saying, they could lock him up and hold him in contempt of court. And on his way out, while he's getting cuffed and hauled out, he's cursing some more. And as he's cursing, she's giving him more and more time. First, she started out with 30 days. Then she gave him 60. Then he kept on going. It was 90. Next thing you know, he's sitting at 180. And that's the max you can get in contempt of court, in my knowledge. You know what I'm saying? Just cussing for no damn reason. I'm like, yeah, he gay. He got a boyfriend up in there or something. Life hard outside in the free world for him. For him to want to be out here cussing at the judge, for you to want to just go to jail like that, bro. You didn't have to do it. But anyway, I just thought I'd give y'all that little story right there. You know, some people just, anyway.
Charmaine, ma'am, please.
Miss Val, Miss Camille, I need a contempt order, 20 days.
20 days?
My God.
For what?
Charmaine, just be quiet. This is what everybody be talking to you about. Just be quiet. Just listen to her and be quiet.
This is what everybody is talking to you about. You don't want to hear it. Send her ass to jail. 20 days? Nah, man, give her ass 20 months. I'm sorry. That attitude needs to be checked. It should have been checked when she was 2 or 3 years old, mama. Should have been checked a long time ago. You feel me? But a lot of y'all want to be out kids' friends and shit like this, so you a little lenient on them. Hell nah, you better put that foot down. Nah, they don't mean bully your kids and abuse them, but you need to be strict on them in a certain way to where they ain't out here just running folk over, and they know when to take, when they know when to respect authority out here, man. Shit, because if you don't deal with them, the world will.
Just be quiet. You're never going to like anything that everybody says to you. It doesn't matter.
No,
just
she
be
grown,
quiet
Miss
and
Trouble.
listen.
See, she grown. No, see, she gonna learn because she out here a single mama.
I'm trying to tell you my side of the
Walker,
story.
you got your 20 days.
She's not
so
asking you. She's not asking you for your side of the story. She's just asking for you to listen. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me go back on mute.
Damn, we can't hear you, Judge.
Oh, I can't hear.
She about to get 20 days for direct contempt before the court, and this is why you're having the problems that you're having, because she thinks she grown and that she doesn't have to be responsible to anybody. But I will tell you that
shut your ass up. You about to get 40 days. Shut the up. Nah, matter of fact, keep talking. Shit, I want you to get all the time that you gonna get, because this shit right here don't make no sense.
Anybody who attacks their mother, takes their car, and then thinks that they don't have to listen to a judge who's trying to put them on the right path, that's a problem. She ain't even good. She ain't even fit to be out here in polite society. I don't want her walking around because she's a danger to others. I don't even think she should have her child. Because if she doesn't know how to act for somebody to benefit her, she can't be a good mom. And I'm just going to say it.
Did her ass just lead a damn Zoom meeting? She done hung up. Give her 180 days, Judge. Please. Please. Give her the max that you can give her. Please.
Because if she doesn't know how to act for somebody to benefit her,
she don't want to hear none of this. None of this constructive criticism. Because that's what it is. You can say she coming down on her hard or being too hard, all that shit, man. You is part of the problem. all these weak ass kids around here because people want to coddle them and shit. Nah, man, you need to tell it to them like it is. Give it to them straight. Because if you don't, as you see, the judge gonna hand it to their ass when they go out here and commit a crime. The fuck is wrong with people? Charmaine Walker.
She can't be a good mom.
Can't
and
be.
I'm just gonna say it. I don't care what anybody says. Oh, so she signed off? Bench warrant. Get it for me. I'm not playing today.
Mama, what you sitting here mad about? What you talking about? Oh, Lord, my baby. Yeah, you ought to be applauding this shit. Thank you, Judge. Thank you. Because somebody need to discipline her ass because I failed to do so. You see how the mama acting right now? This is why she acts the way that she acts, because the mom don't want to give the child no kind of discipline at all. I'm sure this has been going on ever since she was a kid. The mama don't want to see her child be disciplined. At this point in life, the judge say she attacked her and she took the car. That girl needs some jail time. What the hell is wrong with you, mama? What are you sitting here upset about and doing all these gestures for? The fuck? Over this grown ass woman.
She gonna learn today.
All right. You gonna learn today.
If she can't control herself enough to listen while somebody is trying to talk about the behavior that got her before a judge and 2 days in jail, that's a problem for me. Because what I believe is
she went from 2 days to 20 days.
This little sentence here, she's going to be a problem for probation. I'm not trying to give probation officers a problem. They got enough.
Send her to jail.
So
baby.
She's not probation eligible. Whatever sentence y'all come up with when she comes back the next time after this bench warrant, it's not going to be probation.
I'm sorry, Jess, because I wasn't trying to get in the way of
it's not
what you were saying. I was just telling her to be. I was just trying to tell her to be quiet. I get it. I was just trying to tell her to be quiet.
As a mother, you're trying to save her from herself, but obviously that's not possible. But what she's not going to do is disrespect me or the process. It's not even about me, but it's about the fact that I sit in this role and I have a job to do. And she's not going to have a tantrum on this. She's not. No, ma'am. So there's going to be a bench warrant issued for her. She'll be picked up. You might want to put your name out there to take her child. And the next recommendation is either going to be a trial or she's going to take a plea with jail time, because I'm not satisfied with her being on probation. I don't believe she's probation eligible.
And the lawyer ain't said a damn thing, but Judge, I just asked that you accept the plea. Judge like, hell no. You ain't even said enough. I see why he ain't said enough. Shit, he know that girl is a detriment. He know that she need her ass in some damn jail, and he already knew that the judge wasn't going for that. You feel me? Nice work, lawyer. Nice work. That was an easy one. Take that cake and get the hell up out of the way, because shit, yeah. Mama, she can't be saved, baby. She can't be saved. She got to first want to change. But sitting down, if she ain't never been in jail before, maybe this will wake her ass the fuck up. But I doubt it. She sound like she comfortable in jail. Shit. Motherfuckers doing these types of heinous acts. You know what I'm talking about? Hanging up on the Zoom court in front on the judge. The fuck? She just pulled what I just told y'all old boy pulled in court. He went off on the judge. She basically just went off on the judge in a whole nother way. She signed off on that motherfucker.
Sheldon, little bootleg ass studio.
Anyway, let me know how you feel about this in the comment section below. If you vibed all the way out to the end, I really do appreciate you. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Yes, indeed. Also, if you're watching me on YouTube, it's a link in my description. Make sure you subscribe to my second YouTube channel, VybezCast TV. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers over yonder. And if you're not watching me on YouTube, run over to YouTube, subscribe to my main channel. It's SheldonVybez. Just like you was watching me on Facebook, it's the same name. Let me know how you feel about this in the comment section below. If you vibed all the way out to the end, I really do appreciate you. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I'm SheldonVybez. I'm gonna need y'all to be cool like the other side of the pillow. Stay light on your toes like it's supposed. Oh yeah, no.
If you ain't fucking with my nigga Sheldon, nigga, fuck you. Yeah.
Oh God.